Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. We're a venture capital firm focused on pre-IPO companies with investment funds for individual investors, family offices, and their financial advisors. Right now, I got a pre-IPO update for you for the week ending 04 August 2023. Today, we're going to hit on big company news from Canva, Neuralink, Revolut, and Discord, large capital raises, and individual pre-IPO company stock performance update. All right, U.S. investors Coatue Management and ICONIQ Capital have acquired shares of Australian design software startup Canva via a secondary market transaction at a valuation of $25.5 billion, making a 36% decrease from its previous $40 billion valuation in September of 2021. This recent valuation, although reduced, is more favorable than Rowe Price's 67.6% markdown of Canva's stake reported in June. Canva co-founder Cliff Albrecht considers the $25.5 billion valuation solid. That's a quote unquote. That's a quote. This comes as many startups globally face valuation drops due to economic challenges rising from interest rates and a challenging IPO market. Neuralink, co-founded by Elon Musk, has secured $280 million in a Series D funding round led by Founders Fund. The company is pioneering brain-to-computer interface technology for implantation in humans. So that's controlling a computer with your brain. Neuralink encouraged individuals to join the team to enhance human experiences and tackle engineering challenges related to restoring vision and mobility. So a chip in the brain that helps people who are blind see, or helps people move their limbs that weren't able to move their limbs before. While the recent valuation wasn't disclosed, PitchBook estimated that Neuralink had garnered $363 million in funding as of September of last year. UK fintech firm Revolut is halting crypto trading for its U.S. user base due to the ambiguous regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrency in the U.S. The decision, made in conjunction with their U.S. banking partner, impacts only 1% of Revolut's crypto clientele, so it's really small. While international users remain unaffected, this move follows Revolut's recent delisting of 3 tokens for U.S. customers after Back, which took over Apex Crypto and facilitated crypto services for Revolut, restricted access to Solana, Cardano, and Polygon, all suspected to be securities by the SEC. The SEC has been intensifying its scrutiny on crypto entities, targeting major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Discord dismissed 37 employees, equating to 4% of its workforce, primarily from its marketing, talent, and public policy teams. A company representative stated that the layoffs were due to reorganization of some business units. This move mirrors similar actions by other social media giants like Meta platforms, Snap, Twitter, and although Discord's reduction was comparatively smaller in percentage terms to those other companies. Okay, we got some down rounds for you too. So Quora recently altered some investor preferred ownership rights, a change that typically signals an impending funding round with a significantly reduced valuation, as indicated by legal experts. Turntide Technologies is close to securing funding that might cut its valuation by over 80%, and Rowe Technologies recently raised $40 million at a valuation of 10% lower than its previous round. Robotics firm Neuro, once valued at over $8 billion, had its request for additional capital denied by its board, leading to discussions among investors about a potential sale or cram down financing, which could decrease its valuation and alter shareholder priorities during liquidation or sales. Okay, big capital raises for the week. No new unicorns this week, but a couple notables. Weights and biases. You get that? Not weight and balances, weight and biases. Very cheeky. An AI developer platform to build models raised a $50 million Series D at a $1.25 billion valuation, a 20% increase from its last round 23 months ago. Credgenics, it's an Indian debt collection software solution. It has nothing to do with genetics, which is what I thought based on the name. It's a debt collection software company. Raised a $50 million Series B at a $340 million valuation, a 258% increase from its $95 million valuation Series A in August of 2021. Westbridge Capital Partners, Beams FinTech Fund, and Excel-led. Excel's a great firm. Trakian is an AI-driven machine monitoring company, raised a $45 million Series B at a $205 million valuation. That's a 211% increase from its $66 million valuation Series A in May of 2022, 16 months ago. General Catalyst led for that round. Last up is pre-IPO stock performance. Pre-IPO stock current valuations had Neuralink up 4.4%, Baiju up 2.7%, Databricks up 2.6% for the week. eToro was down 28.5%, Ramp was down 21.8%, Flexport down 13.4%, and Brex down 11%. eToro just had that funding round, that kind of secondary round for their employees to get out. So I anticipate that's why they're down. From a total valuation performance, those numbers that I just read were performance numbers for the week. ByteDance is still in there at a $208 billion valuation. SpaceX is at 161, but they just did this round at 150, so it's that number I think is a little skewed. $48 billion from Stripe valuation. OpenAI is at $33 billion, and Databricks is at $33 billion. You can see more current valuation and performance data at agdillon.com. There's a place right there in the header. You can't miss the link. Okay, that's it for the week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and see you guys next week.